Hi everyone, this is Coach Monk. Today we're going to learn how to measure our heart rate for an effective workout. Now, checking your pulse on the wrist is a pretty simple process once you learn how to do it. You can easily find your pulse on the inside of your wrist just below your thumb. By gently placing the first two fingers on your opposite hand, just below your thumb on your artery, you will feel the pulse. You will find that pulse, count the number of beats for 10 seconds. Once you've got that number, multiply it by 6 and you'll get the number of beats per minute that your heart is working. Now, what is a healthy heart rate? A heart rate is the number of times that your heart beats in a minute, and it's measured in BPMs. A normal resting heart rate for an average person can range anywhere from 60 to 80 BPMs. Now, for athletes, resting BPM can be as low as 40. This is due to what's called increased stroke volume. Stroke volume is the amount of blood ejected from the heart per beat. The more fit you get, the more blood that's pumped out of your heart. Factors that increase the heart rate, one of them is stress. Stress affects the heart rate by the body producing adrenaline. Adrenaline increases the heart rate. Exercise increases the heart rate, and factors of exercise can increase the heart rate to higher levels. Some factors of exercise that increase the heart rate are intensity. Is it a low intensity workout? Is it a high intensity workout? Your age, your body position during the workout, your current fitness level. Are you a beginner or are you an athlete? The type of exercise you're doing. Are you doing sprints or are you walking? And then last but not least, temperature and humidity can play a part in increasing your heart rate. Now, to figure out your heart rate, you need to be able to calculate your maximum heart rate first. That's our starting point. So to do this, we use a simple formula. It's 220 minus your age. In the example here, a 35-year-old man will take 220 minus his age of 35, and he'll get a maximum heart rate of 185 beats per minute. Now, that is a maximum effort, or 100%, and really that's not sustainable for the average person that's just doing exercise to burn some fat and get in shape. What we want to calculate is we want to calculate our resting heart rate, and we want to calculate our target heart rate. Okay, in this example here, this person has counted 11 beats in 10 seconds, multiplied that number by 6 to get 66 beats per minute for our resting heart rate. Now, for our working target heart rate, okay, we're going to take our maximum heart rate, our 100%, we're going to multiply that times 70%, or 0.7, okay, and that's going to give us our target heart rate for exercise. Okay, so in the example here, we use a 16-year-old, and we take the formula 220 minus 16 to get 204. So 204 is the max heart rate beats per minute for a 16-year-old working at 100% capacity. So that's unsustainable. So we want to work at a 70% of that. So we're going to take that 204, multiply it times 7, and that's going to give us 143 beats per minute. That's the target per minute heart rate range that we want to work at. Now, to easily calculate that while we're working out, we want to take a 6-second count. That's very efficient. So we're going to take that 143, we're going to divide it by 10, and that's going to give us 14 beats in 6 seconds. That's our target heart range that we want to be working at. Now, if you're at 13, 14, maybe 15, you're in the right ballpark. If you're getting around 11 or 10, you're going a little slow. We need to pick up the pace. If you're up around 16, 17, or 18, you might be going a little fast. You might need to slow down the pace. But that's how we calculate our target heart rate so that we can get an effective workout. So the next time you're at the track, stop, take your heart rate, and see if you're right on track with your target heart rate. Do you need to speed up? Do you need to slow down? If you do that, you'll make a major impact on your body in the 18 weeks we have. Thanks, everybody. Stay healthy.